Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool.
Hello everybody, welcome to MakisToys. Argo, or cornstarch, or whatever. Cup. What am I going to be doing? I don't know. Actually, I do. Take cornstarch, put into cup. There, that seems about right. How does it seem about right? I don't know. I'm just making up the stuff as I go. What am I gonna be doing? Oobleck. Why am I gonna be doing it? Okay, well. Water, cornstarch, oobleck. Inside the water, you're gonna see some drops. Some green food coloring. Why green? Well, because I want to, that's why. Now, okay, well, just some readjusting here. Okay, interruptions aside. So I'm gonna add food. I added food coloring into the water, and then I'm gonna mix until I get, or add water, not mix. We'll add and mix until I get oobleck. Well, I'm a goof. It looked super runny, but it's actually quite perfect. So, next step, what are we going to be doing? I'm going to take this oobleck and add something to it. See what happens. Alright, what am I going to be adding? You can already hear the crinkle and the squeak. I'm adding a bunch of Orbeez to it. Not a ton, because I don't know what's going to happen. I mean, it's not going to be an immediate reaction, it's not going to... But I'm going to try to fold, or at least push some of the Orbeez into the oobleck. Well, actually, it's already sucking up all the liquid. It's all dry at the surface now. Oh, that was actually fast. I thought this was gonna take a while. Well then. Oh yeah. This is already like get a smaller cup. Wow, check this out. This cup is just some of the removed stuff, but look, this is no longer oobleck. This is just, it's all dry. Wow. Like, so maybe if I mix a little more, because, you know, mixing causes things to happen. No, it really doesn't. But now the Orbeez are thoroughly distributed through the mix, because look, you can see the Orbeez. So if I add more water, let it sit for, I don't know, a day or two, I wonder what'll happen. We'll find out, actually. Wow, look at that. Did you see that? Like, immediately shrinks. I might actually just do a time lapse of this. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.